You think that's funny, honey? We take the ball and we drop it down? We take the ball and we drop it down? And the closer I get to your head, the better? Hmm? Here we go.
It's a giggling little Elizabeth. Are you giggling over there?
Ready? Here we go. That's funny, huh? Uh-oh, here we go. What if we kick it in your head? Is that funny too? It's funny. We take our feet and we kick it in your head. Then we kick it in your head. And we kick it in your head. That's not as funny as when we drop it on you, huh?
You're a nut. You're just a little nut.
Here, you ready? You ready? Here it comes. Ah. What if it lands on your toes? That's even funnier, huh? Yeah. Where'd it go? You kicked it all the way over here.
She's a strong baby. What a strong baby. Hi.
Elizabeth. Boom. Boom. Oh! Right in your face. That was good, wasn't it?